Welcome back to ProdPanda AI. In this chapter, we explore product strategy and market planning, two critical skills every product manager needs. A market is a group of potential customers who share a specific need that a product aims to solve. Consumer markets include mass markets with broad appeal and niche markets targeting specialized customer needs. Enterprise markets include small businesses, mid-market companies, and large enterprises. Each segment has different needs, budgets, and decision processes. Markets can also be segmented by geography, demographics, and lifestyle preferences. Markets can also be segmented by geography, demographics, and lifestyle preferences. Artificial intelligence is transforming products and markets by enabling automation, personalized experiences, and entirely new product categories. Strategic planning starts at the corporate level and flows down into divisional plans and functional strategies such as marketing, engineering, and product management. Products move through stages like introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Today, digital products evolve much faster and require continuous innovation. SWOT analysis evaluates strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to guide strategic decision-making. The BCG matrix classifies products based on market growth and market share to help allocate investment. The GE McKinsey matrix evaluates industry attractiveness and competitive strength to guide portfolio strategy. The Anzoff matrix helps product managers decide growth strategies, market penetration, product development, market development, and diversification. TechEdu, an edtech company, faced slowing growth due to outdated courses and heavy dependence on B2C customers. To grow again, TechEdu must modernize courses, expand B2B training, target mid-career professionals, and launch micro-certification programs. Product strategy requires understanding markets, applying frameworks like SWOT and Anzoff, and constantly adapting to change.